Today's video is an in-depth, flawless, unique full glam makeup tutorial. If your full glam never looked this flawless, you are probably skipping this skill step. Let's dive into it. Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. My name is Esther, a makeup artist and a YouTuber based in Warri, Delta State, Nigeria. Thanks for stopping by. Today's video is a full glam, unique full glam makeup tutorial. First thing you want to do is a skin prep for that flawless look. And I went in with this micellar cleansing water and a cotton pad. Trust me, you want to work on a clean canvas. You can't be making up your client or your bride or even yourself with a skin that has dirty underneath those pores. And this client, I'm meeting her for the first time. A friend recommended her and you know, she's already looking at the mirror. So this client is a good one. Let's get into it. Okay, today's video I'm going to be as real as possible. When I'm done cleaning the face, I went in with this Mario Badescu setting mist. This helps to hydrate the face. This helps to also bring moisture to the face. When I was done with that, I went in with my Blossom moisturizer. This moisturizer is not just lightweight. I love the fact that it has a way of just hydrating your skin. And I'm applying that using my white Glam Cosmetics brush. This brush is a game changer. Okay, so for a beautiful full glam, you need a skin prep routine. Bonus tip for you: do not wipe away the remaining moisturizer on the brush. Just apply it on our neckline, on our shoulder. Okay, it is good to moisturize the skin. And then I dry with a mini fan. When I'm done with that, I went into my sweat block from the Maron Prep Plus Prime and with this mini fan to dry. One bonus tip for you: before you move to the next skin prep, make sure that the initial one you applied is properly dry. Okay, do not apply product on a wet skin. No, don't do that. Make sure that before you move to the next step, the initial step is dry. Primer. Priming the skin is very important for a flawless foundation. Okay, so I went in with the F primer. When I'm done applying the F primer on the T-zone, on her chin, I applied foundation. For foundation, I'll be using 2 shades of foundation in Fenty Beauty, and I'll be applying this foundation using a foundation brush from Reed Technique. I'll start with one section of the face before proceeding to the other section of the face.
There is only one of you, only one of me. There's a million of those who won't let us be, but they're not gonna see me bleed. Cause baby, I got you. I've been beaten to the ground, dragged across the dirt. I've been scared to live cause some people never learn, but they're not gonna watch me burn. Cause baby, I got you. It's a new beginnings and a better life. It's the dancing underneath the disco lights. They can try but they can never take me down. Ooh, cause I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid to love, not afraid to love you. I'm not
watching this video. I'm not afraid to love you watching this video. As you can see, we're done with foundation application, and I went in with my damp beauty blender to just blend it thoroughly. Next off is blush application in 2026. If you are not using two shades of blush, light pink and dark pink, or light pink and orange, that means you are missing out. And it adds color and dimension, and then it warm up the face. This is important. Next is the highlights and contour. So you need to place your concealer strategically, okay? And I like to use two shades of concealer, which is a shade brighter and two shades brighter, and then you need to blend seamlessly, okay? As for contour, I'll be going in with a cream contour for structure. Done with the highlights, the contour. I have a detailed eyeshadow tutorial of this full glam look. Okay, you can check that out. Then I had to apply the classic glue on the eyelid, allow it to be sticky for like 30 seconds before applying the first eyelashes, and then I use my hand to apply the glow at the highlighter at the tip of our nose and the bridge of our nose. Gently blend. Okay, time for lip. For the lip application, I use the Beauty by Germs lip liner, dark lip liner in the shade Mamos. You know this is one of my all-time favorite lip stain. Okay, so you just need to be careful when lining the lips. It's important that you line the lips. Okay, it gives you a more structured lip and it makes the lip to look well sculpted. Okay, line your lips or line the lips of your clients or your brides. Okay, it's a game changer. And then when I'm done with lining of the lips, I then fill in with this matte light pink shade of lipstick. Okay, this is important. Make sure you blend. Just blend. Blending is key when it comes to makeup, when it comes to flawless makeup. Check out the glow. See the glow on her cheek. Don't you love what you're seeing? This in-depth flawlessness you're seeing is also as a result of consistent blending. Don't worry, with time you get there. Okay, just make sure that you keep improving on your blending game. Lastly, I'm going to set with my setting spray. This one size setting spray, finishing spray, is one of my recent favorites. Okay, check out the glow, check out the skin, man. Let me know in the comment section your favorite part of this in-depth flawless full glam makeup tutorial. Okay, I'll be waiting to respond to all your messages. Okay, thanks for watching. Please do well to subscribe, like, share, comment, share with your friends. Okay, I'll see you all in my next video. Until then, stay blessed, be happy, smile often, and bye guys.